Welcome back, folks. In this video, we're gonna draw Spenp from Yokai Watch, one of my favorite characters of the series. Okay, so in this video, of course, we're drawing Spenp. Spenp is from the Slippery tribe, and when he inspirits someone, he makes them waste their money on frivolous purchases. He was born in the yuppie era of the 1980s. People used to go shopping back then. It was a time of impulse shopping, pretty women, and DeLoreans. That's awesome, right? Yeah, I do too. So drawing Spenp is a bit easy. So let's draw this guy, shall we? So Spenp is in the shape of a clam. Well, a clam with a wallet, like a zipper. Now we just draw his tongue. Here's the 300 zenny on his coin. Okay, almost done. There we go. Alexa, what is a wallet?
The noun, wallet, can have a couple meanings. 1. A flat, folding pocketbook, especially one large enough to hold paper money, credit cards, driver's license, etc., and sometimes having a compartment for coins. 2. A bag for carrying food, clothing, toilet articles, etc., during a journey, knapsack or rucksack.
Alexa, play Speed Me Up.
Speed Me Up by Wiz Khalifa, Ty Dolla $ign and others on Amazon Music.
There we go. Now we just draw the zenny, the coins floating above his head. There we go. That's how you draw a Spenp. And there, that's how you draw Spenp. He looks pretty awesome, huh? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't go spending your money on anything frivolous. And if you spend your money on anything that you see, you won't have enough for the things you really want. After all, I mean, a good thing happened in Yokai Watch. They did manage to get that video game. And, well, you see Spemp's Yokai Medal, when he gave it to Nate, Spemp's medal can only be found in the Game of Life. And, well, I could show you it. I'll show you it real soon. Anyway. Oh, wait. I think I'll... See? What'd I tell you? I told you I have it. Anyways, that's how you draw Spenp, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. I'm glad to have Spemp's medal, and I'm glad to be friends with Spenp. Hold on.
Really go fast, press on the gas, under my dash, never gonna last. Came a long way from the back of my dash. Since I got racks, I never look back. I'm going fast, I'm on way to the bank.
There we go.